Similar to magic, how I turn the tragic into hope. Quote movies so that y'all can understand the dope. Jewels keeping you afloat in the world that's getting choked by the rope. Plus it's in the sights of the rifle scope. Can't damage me.
Naga Precious Metals. I'm about to unbox this mystery bar, but even though I know what it is, there's actually 2 bars in here. Let's see and find out what it is together. I'm gonna rip it open like a man, or like a very strong woman, or like a weak woman with long nails that are slicing through. I'm gonna shake the camera. There's 2 bars in here actually. That was another surprise that I didn't mention. I should have waited. This is packaged very well by a known collector on the East Coast. There's lots of peanuts and papers. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's something. Oh, here's another thing. Alright. See if he added any special. Nope, that's it. Alright. Let's take a look at what we got here. First up, this beautiful little finger pour by AFI. Double stamped. I don't know if you can see that. Double stamped on the AFI. 99.9% fine silver. And whoa! First time I ever saw one of those on these. This is 5-ounce Troy with another purity stamp for whatever reason. The other ones I have of this are just AFI, no weight. Look like that. This is a cool one. I think these sold pretty high. Last time I checked sold listings, they're $300 bar for 5 ounces. Beautiful, beautiful old school vintage. Now, that was a great bar, but this mysterious paper towel holds something even awesomer. This, my friends, is 33.3 ounces of Bushmeyer old school pour. Look at that stamp. Oh man, that's deep. Should I bring it closer? Look at that stamp. Look at that stamp. Touch it. Touch it. Here's the back. Little machine. What a cool bar. Holy crap. I haven't seen one of these in a minute. I have some WGB bars, which stand for the Wenatchee Gold Belt. That was out of Central Washington, Washington State, of course, where a lot of good metal comes out of the earth. But the Wenatchee Gold Belt back then, and I don't really have definitive proof of those, but I think they were either turned into this or they were pouring stuff for Bushmeyer. Bushmeyer, turns out WB Bushmeyer's out of Louisville, Kentucky. Was a well-known and respected jeweler that is long since defunct. Has a little smaller Bushmeyer bars, but I don't have one with this clear of a stamp, and I don't have one that's 33.3 ounces of 999 fine silver. What a awesome bar, man. I don't know if you can really catch the pour lines on this thing, but I saw this and immediately snatched it, and people got mad. But you know what? Naga Metals snatches it all. No, I'm just kidding. We share. I share the wealth. If there was 2 of these, I'd have told a homie. You can become a homie. Get on the mailing list. Subscribe. Sometimes we like to send pictures of new acquisitions to the people who follow us. And sometimes we can do some trades. So if you're into amazing bars such as this and you want to see more of them, keep watching. Naga Precious Metals. We out.
Cause I'll forever be myself. If all of y'all would just be yourself. If we could do it at the same time, trust me, things would be a lot better. You wouldn't have to rock that shit underneath your sweater or leather. Be yourself. I'd rather be myself and no one else. Trust me, things would be a lot better. Be a lot better.